They often spend countless hours studying but see little progress. Worse still, they think it's their fault when it isn't. What if the real issue lies in the study methods? I'll reveal the effective strategies intelligent students employ to study better. Let's aim to stop studying inefficiently and start optimizing your study habits. Here at MindSpark, we focus on enhancing productivity and promoting self-improvement. Subscribe for insights that can help you learn quicker and work smarter. Join us for impactful discussions on productivity, AI, and personal growth. The truth is, students often fail due to being easily distracted. Distractions hinder effective studying and learning. Many students juggle notifications, videos, and messages, which scatters their focus. Deep focus is essential for genuine learning and retention. Without it, studying can feel laborious and unproductive. The first step to effective studying is eliminating distractions beforehand. Focusing helps accelerate learning significantly. Creating a conducive study environment facilitates better focus. Start by putting your phone out of reach. Next, close any tabs or apps you're not using. Consider listening to calming music or using noise-canceling headphones. Maintain a clean workspace to enhance concentration. Engage in intensive study sessions in time blocks for maximum productivity. Remember, your surroundings impact your productivity more than willpower alone. Build an environment that supports your focus and study efforts. A common mistake is studying passively without active engagement. Many students end up rereading notes, mistakenly thinking it's effective. Unfortunately, mere reading does not equate to real learning. The most effective learners utilize active recall strategies. Instead of asking if they recognize the material, they challenge themselves to explain concepts without referring back. Tools like flashcards, quizzes, and self-testing enhance memory retention. Active engagement clearly surpasses passive studying. It's also important to address how students can leverage AI. Many students overlook AI or use it incorrectly. However, astute students effectively use AI to aid their learning process. For example, ChatGPT can clarify complex subjects efficiently. Notion AI can help keep your notes organized and on track. Perplexity AI enables quicker research and information gathering. AI should take care of repetitive tasks, allowing you to concentrate on comprehension. This focus on understanding is crucial for effective learning. Make sure to utilize AI in ways that enhance your learning speed. Another common pitfall is a lack of structured studying. One day, they may spend 8 hours studying. And the very next day, they might do nothing at all. This inconsistency is ineffective for learning. Successful students, instead, rely on systematic approaches to studying. They maintain study schedules, set clear goals, along with regular review sessions and established routines. Remember, consistency trumps intensity in learning effectiveness. 2 hours of concentrated study every day outperforms sporadic, exhaustive sessions. Rely on consistency rather than fleeting motivation for better results. Many students overlook a vital aspect of productivity. Your mental performance is tied to your physical health. When you're tired, overwhelmed, or lacking sleep, your ability to be productive plummets. It's essential to safeguard your energy levels. Ensure you're getting adequate sleep and taking regular breaks. Don't forget to get outside for some fresh air. Beware, as burnout will not lead to productivity. Remember, your energy greatly influences your productivity levels. There's an important final point to consider. Avoid falling into the trap of obsessing over productivity alone. Some students get caught up in planning, watching videos about productivity, and organizing rather than dedicating time to study itself. Keep in mind that the aim is not to appear productive. Instead, focus on making substantial progress in your studies. Steer clear from merely faking productivity. Successful students aren't necessarily the most intelligent. They are the ones who create effective study systems. By removing distractions, engaging actively, and following effective routines, leveraging AI correctly and managing your energy levels, your studying process can become more manageable, quicker, and less stressful. It won't be perfect, but it will be improved. The changes will certainly lead to better outcomes. Effective systems contribute to student success. What productivity challenges are you currently facing? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and activate notifications for more insights on AI and self-improvement. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Join us for more tips on smarter studying.